One of the key questions which a lot of people ask me is I have only 3 months' time. I'm working from a 9 to 5 job or 9 to 6, which means that I have to work for around 11 to 12 hours a day. I have OT, I have OPD, or I have a family to manage. I can't spend the whole day reading. How do I prepare for NEET SS? The funda is very simple. At this point of time, I am not going to give you the usual advice. I'm not going to tell you to read GI from Sabiston, thyroid and breast from Schwartz, and cover the complete Bailey. That's not possible at all. But I'm going to give you a realistic plan about how to approach it. If you are busy and if you don't have the whole day to study, you have only 2 to 3 hours per day, but you can always squeeze time between ORs, between patients in the OPD. The time you spend looking at Instagram or Facebook, try to make sure that you solve 5 to 10 questions on the search test app in the practice mode so that you can read the theory. The theory in the explanation of the questions covers the most important topics from Bailey, Sabiston, and Schwartz. The entire Bailey is covered. Most of important points from Sabiston and Schwartz are covered. Which means that if you go through that and if you're able to solve at the start 50 questions per day, but slowly increase it, maybe do 10 questions between the cases or something. But make sure you reach a point where you're doing 100 questions a day. And if you're able to do that thrice, fantastic. I can assure you that you will be a top ranker. But even if you're not able to do thrice, if you're able to do it twice before the end of March, where NEET SS is going to be likely, you are on the right track. So I would say if you're able to solve 50 to 100 questions every single day in the practice mode, read the explanations of the questions, you are on the right track. This is especially if you're busy and you don't have time to read the textbooks.